Chiến?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so today we're gonna have a test. Are you ready for the test?
Ready.
Okay, so first let's introduce about yourself.
Hello, I'm Quang Chiến. I'm 4 years old. I live in Hanover. My school is Yet.
How about your family?
4 people.
My
Dad, my mom, my baby sister, and me.
What is your favorite color? My
My
favorite color.
is
What is your favorite color? What color do you like?
green.
Green. And what is your favorite toy?
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. What is your favorite food?
My pizza.
Pizza. Why do you like pizza?
Yummy.
It's yummy. Okay, so next, let's read the poem Friend here.
Friend.
Now speak louder. Friend.
Friend. We play. Friend. We play and what? We are friends and we have fun.
Very good. Have fun. Okay, next. Let's tell me what letter are they and what's the letter make? Letter.
T.
Sound.
Little K.
Sound.
Little E.
Sound.
E.
Letter H.
Little H. So.
Okay, next.
Little R.
Sound.
L. Little N.
Sound.
Little T. So.
Okay, next. Let's blend and read the CBC word here. Let's get started now. Eat. Set.
Set.
10.
T. N. B. L.
Man.
Man.
Map. Hit. Hen. Down. Did. Okay, next. Let's tell me the story. Animal play. Let's get started.
Animal toy. The bird fly in the sky. The bird sit in the tree. The monkey climb in the tree. The monkey play with a ball. The rabbit come to the lawn. The rabbit play in a fair. The kangaroo top on the lawn. The kangaroo sit in the lawn. The hippo skip on the lawn.
Under the
Tree. The hippo jump over turtle. The turtle skip on the lawn. The turtle go on the lawn. The alligator go on the lawn. The kangaroo
alligator.
alligator keep in the
Snake.
The giraffe sat on the lawn. The giraffe sat on a tree. I am animal.
Very good. So tell me, what is the name of the story?
School.
Name of the story. Animal play. Okay. So what animals live under the tree?
Hippo.
Hippo. And what animals step over the tree?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Very good. And tell me, what do the turtle do?
Sleepy.
Sleep on
Oh no.
the rock, right? What does the bird do? The bird? What does the bird do?
Sky.
Fly.
Fly in the sky.
Where does the bird sit in?
Tree.